my channel. Today we're going to be doing the quickest, easiest smoky eye that's glamorous at the same time ever. And that's pretty cool, right? And we're going to be using the lovely Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance Palette because it's beautiful and it's super pigmented, so it makes a great smoky eye when you're in a hurry. So, if you'd like to see how I've obtained this look, please keep watching. Alright, so to do this fastest, easiest smoky eye ever, I already put my face on, so we can just focus strictly on these eyeballs and get that smoky eye going. So, the first thing we're going to do here is take MAC Paint Pot Pro Longwear and Painterly and put that as our base on our eyelid so the pigments show up really well. All right, now that our eyelids are ready for the beautiful masterpiece, it's time to get ready, or get to doing it. So we are gonna take our Modern Renaissance Anastasia Beverly Hills palette with all these beautiful colors here for our quick and easy smoky eye. And the first color we're gonna take is the whirl right there. And we're going to take that with our MAC 217 brush and put that in our crease. Okay, now that we got our crease done, we are going to take the color Love Letter and pack that onto our eyelid. And we'll take our flat Morphe brush palettes are just so pigmented, they're amazing. Okay, so last color that we will use here is the Venetian Red. And we're gonna pack that onto this very center part of our lid, closest to the lash line to just give that pop of color. We're going to use the same brush, I'm just wiping it off. Again, the Morphe flathead brush here. Alright, now that we have all our colors on our lid, next we're going to go back with a wiped off MAC 217 brush and take the color Real Gar again. And go back into our crease to blend out the colors. And voila! So next we're going to do our lower lash line to really smoke out everything. And we're going to start that off with Real Gar and my Morphe pencil brush here. Perfect. And next we're going to take the Love Letter color and put that on the outer under lash line. Beautiful. And next we're gonna go in with my Morphe slightly more tapered brush here and blend out the lower lash line. And lastly, what we're gonna do is we're going to highlight our inner eye and under our brow bone, and we'll take the color Vermeer, my tiny little Morphe brush here. Voila! So next what I'm going to do is just take some concealer to clean up around the edges, and then I'll put on some lashes and maybe some liner. I can't decide yet, but I'll do that all off camera and I'll be back. Alright, so I finished the face. I added the lashes and the liner off camera just because we wanted to get that fast and easy smoky eye. So it's up to you guys if you want to add lashes or not. It's whatever your heart desires. If you liked this video, please give me a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to my channel so you can keep up to date with all my videos. And until next time, everybody.